Did you know recent studies show that having the wrong bacteria in your gut can contribute to feelings of sadness and anxiety, brain fog, and low mood? Luckily, there's a solution. Hi, I'm Faye, and this is ZenBiotic, a cutting-edge probiotic for brain and mood health. ZenBiotic was developed by neuroscientists to optimize the body's gut-brain connection for good mood and emotional well-being. Many of us living in the modern world have decimated the diversity of bacteria in our digestive tracts by the overuse of antibiotics in our bodies and pesticides on the foods we eat. Thousands of scientific studies now show that healthy gut bacteria are essential to mental health. A vital gut ecosystem is crucial for producing feel-good neurotransmitters such as serotonin and dopamine, which boost mood and reduce anxiety. Taking ZenBiotic can help you to feel happy, create emotional balance, enhance your cognition, and thrive daily. ZenBiotic contains 11 different strains of probiotics, including spore-forming strains that survive stomach acid and heat, allowing them to colonize in the gut, unlike common probiotics. Spore-forming strains also promote the balance and growth of other beneficial bacteria. Additionally, ZenBiotic contains a patented prebiotic phage technology, which targets undesirable bacteria and feeds good bacteria. Bad bacteria release toxins into our bloodstream that can penetrate the blood-brain barrier and irritate the tissue of the brain. When you eliminate the bad bacteria that put stress on your body and brain and replace them with beneficial bacteria, you give your body the opportunity to heal your gut and restore healthy brain function. Beneficial bacteria also help to digest the food we eat and transform it into the nutrition that we need to thrive. Are you ready to heal your nervous system and regain vitality and vibrancy? Transform your mood from the inside out and reclaim your inspiration for life with ZenBiotic.